Ayan guys, good morning guys. It's barley time again guys. It's Sunday guys. Good morning sa inyo lahat. Barley again. Now guys, it's 2 scoop guys. Inilagay ko guys. Dagdagan natin yung dosage guys. Para masarap. Yan guys, oh. Good morning guys. Ito na guys.
Wow!
Guys, let's cook ampalaya guys. It's morning again guys. After magbarley ampalaya tayo guys magluto. And guys, cooking ampalaya guys para sa guys, healthy living tayo guys. Try natin pumunta mamaya guys tapos magluto. Try natin humabol doon sa may karnihan guys. Bili tayo ng konting karni guys. Shoutout sa inyo lahat. Babus.
Wow!
walang tinginan guys ha. Bless. Yan guys, itlog. Asin. Okay, so yun na naman yung guys, yung lutuan guys. Let's do the cook. You are my destiny. Huwag natin takpan guys para hindi siya mapait. Saka huwag masyadong haluin lagi. Ayan, lagi hindi lang ganyan. Ganyan lang, ganyan. Guys, lagyan natin yung ito guys. Bole, bole! Ganyan lang guys, balik-balik lang. Pag hindi siya hindi maging pait. Ganyan lang, balik-balik lang hanggang sa maluto. See? Enjoy cooking!